In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your MacBook Pro M1. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by going up to the top left corner of your Mac and go ahead and just select the little Apple icon. And from here, go ahead and open up your system settings. The process is actually super similar to like resetting an iPhone if you've ever done that before, but essentially go to the general tab on this left hand sidebar and scroll all the way down to the very bottom and look for this like transfer or reset button on here. Go ahead and select that. From here, go ahead and select erase all content and settings, and it's going to immediately ask you for your password right here. Go ahead and enter that in, but essentially once you enter in that password, you'll see a screen explaining all the settings, media, apps, and data on the Mac that will be removed. Just take a second to review this and make sure everything is listed so you know exactly what is being erased. But essentially, once you just hit continue and follow the on-screen prompts, your Mac will begin the reset process automatically. It really is as simple as that. Just make sure that you really want to do this before continuing because it will completely wipe the device. But it really is as simple as that. Once again, if you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.